What is going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and very exciting news today. The GT500 was officially announced at the Detroit Auto Show. It's been met with kind of mixed reactions. Some people are, or most people are actually saying they're a big fan of it. They like the styling. They like how it has that aggressive front end. They think it has plenty of power, which it actually does. It's going to most likely have about 750 horsepower out of the 5.2 liter supercharged engine. And even me, I'm a huge fan of it. I mean, yeah, I'm a Mustang owner, but this thing looks awesome. It looks very aggressive. I'm glad that they went with the 15 to 17 headlights versus the 18s. So with me, I really like the car. But like every car out there, there will be critics. People are already saying how, it's a stupid idea that they're only going with the dual clutch transmission. I believe it shifts in like 0.1 seconds, which is insanely fast. I mean, that's going to beat any kind of stick shift out there. But at the end of the day, I really think the GT500 does need to have some kind of manual shifting car. But good news, according to roadandtrack.com, they were talking to Carl Whitman, the head engineer for Ford Performance, not just, a salesman at Ford, one of the top dogs, the head engineer for Ford Performance. And he was asked, will there be a 3-pedal GT500 in the future? And he said, right now it's going to be dual clutch transmission only. But, if we do get the feedback, we're really tight with the Mustang crowd and how there will be a possibility of a manual transmission in the future. Now, while he's not confirming it, he's confirming it. I mean, come on. The GT500 needs to have a manual transmission. The automatic, I believe, is being thrown out there as the crazy fast car. I mean, look at the new Mustang GTs with the 10-speed transmission. It's insane. I mean, with very minor power adders, with E85 bolt-ons, tires, and a tune, people are getting to the 11s. So I can just imagine what the GT500 is going to do with plenty of more power. So good news for the manual camp. Another thing that people are complaining about, which even me, I think it's absolutely stupid, is the automatic gear selector. It's a little ball or a little cycle that you have to turn, and I mean, all I can imagine, which I'm sure this wouldn't happen, but imagine you're going down the highway, some Nickelback comes on the radio, you just, reach over to the radio, turn it down real quick, but you accidentally you actually put your car in reverse on the highway. I'm not a big fan of the wheel. I mean, there's plenty of different options out there as far as, cool automatic gear selectors. The wheel, I just think it looks kind of awkward, and I'm just not a fan of it. But it's supposedly going to be an 11-second car stock, right out the factory, so that's a really cool thing, and it's going to have independent rear suspension, pretty much all the goodies that you'd expect on the GT350. One thing that I really hope that Ford gets right is the pricing when it comes to the GT500s, because there were GT350Rs going for like $120,000. That's insane. So I really hope they can control the pricing, maybe not giving, certain allocations to certain dealerships that are selling, so far over sticker. I mean, we all know that the GT500 isn't going to be cheap, but I'm hoping they can control it to, maybe the price would be right at $100,000, because, there's going to be high demand for it, and the supply is going to be really low at first, but, give it 2 years, maybe you can pick up a used one for, maybe in the neighborhood of, $60,000, $55,000. We'll just have to wait and see. But one thing I want you all to see before this video ends is the spec of this GT500 in this orange color. I think it is absolutely insane, and if I had the money, this channel would be called Bubba Orange. I mean, just look at that color. It's so aggressive. Those wheels go perfect with the car, and even that front end, even though it has that GTR kind of styling, I actually like it. But guys, that will be it for today's video. Let me know what y'all think of the new GT500 down below, and if you think it's going to be like a Hellcat killer, demon killer, or whatnot, let me know down below. I'm in the middle over here working on my room. I've got considerable work since I last showed y'all. I know, what was it, yesterday or 2 days ago? I've only gotten right here done. I've worked my way over here, filled up all these screw holes, and I am moving along good. After I post this video, I'm going to go ahead and work on the ceiling, and I'm just glad that my backdrop is going to be something different, because in every video I edited, I couldn't stand this little mark right here. You can go back to like my previous, 10, 20 videos or so, and that little mark is always there, and I just can't stand it. So hey, it'll be fixed now. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.